This particular project is located at Upton Road in Poole, in Dorset. We're here to replace a 14-inch cast iron medium pressure main. It's been failing. This is one of the most integral routes on the network for the local transport. So, yeah, it's been many years in the making.
This project was raised initially because of the amount of outstanding leakage. We've been here before and we've come across numerous problems. One is the fact that we're actually working on a bridge structure up here, and it became apparent at very early stages that our options were limited to be able to replace this pipe. We've got build over issues, we've got all kinds of issues regarding the current pipe's location, and we had easements issues. So
we looked at easements all across private land, which again ran into, astronomical amounts. And we had a meeting with the bridge structures team. On this occasion, the local authority offered up some voids that were prefabricated in the bridge in the installation process. So they've utilised it successfully for telecommunications and electric cables. And we thought, there was one void free in the bridge, so we engaged with the local bridge man who's been great with us.
And we've come to use these innovations that have never, as far as I'm been aware, and I've been in the industry since 1982, we've never used in construction in the replacement arena before, which is the use of this Hydrodem.
So hydrodemolition is a process where you use high pressure water, and it's blasted it to the face of the concrete, and it actually cuts the concrete. It'll actually cut the concrete, like knife through butter, really. We'll then put an anti-shear sleeve into the structure and bond and bolt that to the structure. We'll then fit some rollers to the outside of the ProFuse pipe, and we'll then slowly insert that through the bridge deck.
With Radius, they're one of our primary suppliers for pipes, so we engage with the likes of you guys to talk about projects that offer these kind of difficulties, and in order to get the pipe we feel is right for that job. And this particular instance, with the use of ProFuse with a peelable skin, with the fact that we've got to insert through structures and that, it became quite obvious through that engagement that this was the right channel to go down, using the Radius pipe and the ProFuse pipe. And the fact that you guys always come up with the goods when they're needed is really good. It's just another tool, along with the innovations and that helps us deliver these jobs on time and within budget. For me, it's the first brilliant site and a brilliant bit of engineering using a lot of innovation that I hope to take forward to get the pipe in here and get the old asset decommissioned as soon as we can.